If you've recently inherited a home or are expecting such an inheritance, you may be overwhelmed or unsure of where to begin. But fear not, this video is your essential roadmap through the probate process. First things first, what is probate? Probate is the legal process that takes place after someone passes away. It's a series of steps that ensures their property and assets are distributed according to their wishes and the law. Who is involved? In probate, there are two key players, the executor and the beneficiaries. The executor is the person chosen in the will to manage the deceased person's estate, while beneficiaries are those who inherit the assets. Start with the will. The process begins with filing the deceased person's will in the appropriate court. If there's no will, the court will follow state laws to distribute assets. Next, the executor will compile a list of all the assets and their values, ensuring an accurate appraisal of the estate's worth. If the deceased owed money, those individuals or entities are considered creditors. During the probate process, these creditors are notified and given the opportunity to submit claims against the estate. Using the estate's assets, the executor pays off any valid debts and taxes owed by the deceased. Once debts and taxes are settled, the remaining assets are distributed to the beneficiaries as outlined in the will. After all these steps have been completed, the court will close the estate and the probate process is officially over. It's important to note that not all assets go through probate. Some assets, like life insurance policies or joint bank accounts, go directly to the beneficiaries, bypassing the probate process. So how long does all this take? Probate can take several months to a few years, depending on the complexity of the estate and any disputes among beneficiaries or creditors that arise. Probate can also be pretty expensive, with court fees, legal fees, and other costs. These expenses are typically paid from the estate. That is why some people try to avoid probate altogether by setting up trusts, gifting assets while they're alive, or designating beneficiaries on accounts. Interested in learning more about what probate means for your inherited home? Give us a call or visit us online to learn more.